For making tomato soup, we need tomatoes, finely chopped onion, chopped garlic, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, few cloves, and corn flour. For making croutons, we need mixed herbs and 2 bread slices. First of all, we will work on the croutons. For that, cut off the sides of the bread slice. Now, cut them into small squares. Place a pan on medium heat and add butter. Let it melt and then add the mixed herbs. You can also use any Italian seasoning or pizza seasoning. Now add the bread squares and roast them until they become crisp. This will take somewhere around 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium heat. Our homemade croutons are now ready. Take them out in a plate. In a separate pan, add butter and let it melt. Now add the bay leaf, cinnamon stick and cloves. Let them release their aroma in the butter. Now add the chopped garlic cloves and fry them for a minute on low heat. Take care not to burn them. It's time to add the chopped onion and cook them until they become soft. Now add the chopped tomatoes and cook them until they become soft. To fasten the process of cooking, add salt to the tomatoes. Cover the lid and cook the tomatoes for 5 minutes on medium heat. Take off the bay leaf and cinnamon stick if you want. Transfer this mixture to a mixer grinder and make a smooth puree out of it. Our puree is now ready. If you want the restaurant quality tomato soup, then strain this mixture through a strainer. Discard the leftover. This is nothing but the tomato skin. Add water to adjust the consistency of the tomato soup. We will now add salt, black pepper powder and sugar. Mix well and let the tomato soup cook for a minute. Now take corn flour in a bowl and add water to make corn flour slurry. This will help in thickening our tomato soup. Tomato soup is finally ready. Take out the tomato soup in soup bowls and garnish them with fresh cream and our homemade croutons.